other route to EASTLEIGH. And there are these. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we have some good news. Yeah, let's just stick to good news. We have some good news, so please like this video, comment, subscribe if you haven't, yeah, to see more uploads from me. So the good news is a new consignment just landed yesterday, but yesterday I was doing some few updates here and there because it's tables that came in, and we have the iron box and hand mixer. Yeah, hand mixer. So I'll give you details about all that when I collect it. So I'm headed to EASTLEIGH. That's where I shipped with a company that has a warehouse there. Their warehouse is not on Mombasa Road, and I didn't use the other one because we had a better deal with the new cargo, but they did me dirty. They did me dirty. The consignment that I was supposed to pay for, it's not what they are saying right now as it arrived. So I need to go there and see for myself, and also speak to the guys, because I don't understand how they can make such a big move at the last minute without even communicating beforehand. So yeah, I need to go and sort out all those details. But the good news is the consignment is here. So acha niende, tutaenda na nyinyi. I'm gonna take you with me. So let's go. And for the fit of the day, let me just show you, because it's very cold. It's really cold. So this is my fit. It's an all black trouser and bodysuit. This is a bodysuit. I have this jacket on. I love it because it's long. I have this scarf. I used to have these scarves at the shop. They are restocking very soon. And then I have these shoes, maroon shoes, because I want to be as comfortable as I can be. As I said, I'm driving all the way to EASTLEIGH. Na EASTLEIGh huko kuna watu wengi pia. And then the bag I'm gonna carry my all-time bag of the day. Well, this bag is more like the bag of all time because I love it. It's so good. It's good, it fits what I need, and it's good material, and it doesn't peel. However, this is a legit good bag. So it's an everyday bag for me. So I'm gonna go make my coffee and then we head out. I'm already done with hair, done everything. So it's just leaving, and then I lock my doors usually. So I'm from Mombasa Road now. Nimeingia hii barabara, I don't know the name, but ni ya kuingia industrial area, going all the way to Jogoo Road hadi what is that place called? Something Army. This is Salvation Army. There's a name that they call it. About Mombasa Road, about Jogoo Road. So that I now take the other route to EASTLEIGh. Let me show you. So uko ni hii barabara. I honestly don't remember the name of this road, but yeah, imeenda all the way hadi Jogoo Road ndio nichukue barabara ya kwenda EASTLEIGh sasa. Nimekuwa nikiongea na watu wa cargo, but no one is there already, so I don't know nitafika wapi. Wameniambia iko hapo karibu na garage, but I'm honestly not sure. Na alafu hapa kuna traffic ingine mbaya mbovu hadi huko. Yeah. So the last time I was on this route, I remember hii barabara iko imeisha, but now it's complete, I guess. Mtu alikuwa anazunguka barabara ingine. Ala, this is wonderful. To be honest, this is nice. Hey, ni kitambo basi. The last time I was here. tunaona saizi ni nywe. I used to have so many potholes, na iko na bumps kadhaa, which that doesn't even bother me. Lakini hii barabara imekaa that time, I think the whole of last year imekuwa under construction. This is the one that just goes to connect na Jogo Road pale mbele. I am not that far off. Wow. So this is Jogo Road. So now ndio hiyo hapo, going this way. There's a car out there, hajaniona. But so tunaenda kuingilia pale mbele, going to EASTLEIGH. So nimeweka gari at gear 3 ndio niweze kurecord hapa. So you see here, hapa ndio magari kwenye zinatania hapa. That's why we are gonna take the route to go to EASTLEIGh. Inaenda hivyo, you go straight up. Straight hadi kwenye garage iko. I'm gonna try as much as possible kuonyesha. Yo, it's been a minute since I came to EASTLEIGh. Naona vitu huku zimebadilika. It's not as they used to be then. I think nimefika after kupotea, but nitawaonyesha nikitoka cause saizi nishaingia parking. Juu huku hadi kuna parking system. It's just after the new mall mahali hapo. In fact just next to Shell. Hizo go downs zenye ziko hapo, that's where the most cargos are there. If you're looking to ship with or looking to ship from China na wapi, you can come here and look at all this and then compare, because wote wanakuwa na prices tofauti, all of them. Air, meli, zote different prices, so you can come and check out whichever that suits you. Unakuja hapa. So yeah, let me head out. Nimeambiwa sijui niende second floor in Yale ama ni Yare Center. Ingia KBS garage, utaona nyumba inaitwa Yale Towers. Office iko third floor, room T5. So that's where I'm headed. I don't know where the go down is, like a warehouse kwenye wana store vitu, so I'm gonna show you all that, so stay tuned. Sindio? Alright, cheers. It's hours later, but just jaenda. Now is the time I want to go to the warehouse. Ndio niende nichukue. Nimekuwa na shughuli za kwenda kutafuta shati and my children's panties, because here they are cheaper, because I think 6 of them, a dozen was 1200, so nikachukua 6 1200. So nishapata hizo. I'll not show you, but hacha tutoke niwaonyeshe kwenye tunaenda. See, this is one cargo. It's good. I have used them before. I don't use them nowadays. Don't ask me why, because I do not know why. I think I would rather stick to 1 or 2, but this is the place vile kunakaa huku ndani. It's really muddy, but ona kuna ingine sijui inajiita hazina cargo. Never heard of it. But if you use these ones from this video, please don't blame me if anything happens. But yeah, so kutoka ni heavy, but I need to wait for these ones to pass, I guess. Manipite too. But yeah, so many cargos over here. Ingine inaitwa Marine Divers Cargo, Smart Limited Cargo. So yeah, Silver Cargo, there's one over there. But basically, in this place you'll find so many cargos, shipping cargos. Not the ones I give people, because I do not trust them. You can't trust everything. Thank you. So just opposite you have the Chicken Inn and Galitos. But naenda sasa uko juu kuchukua mzigo. So I've been told it's just here near this place, the grey gate. Here inside. So there's this, there's that, and there are these. Goodness.
Easy.
Zingine nimeambiwa na Mukhtar niziache tu.
Oh, fine. Hiyo.
Hii moja.
Jam tao. Sorry, jam tao. Kitu ingine hata sijui nitatoka hapa saa ngapi. But I'm almost there. Sema gari giza, kuna giza, gosh. It's so dark. So ina move pole pole yake. Sijui nitatoka saa ngapi. And I'm supposed to go take it back to kwenye tunapakige, which is far. Damn. Anyway, it's 12:25. Let me see if I can get someone to come and get the car and go park it for me. But I'm almost there, which is, we thank God. Sijasimamisha. But nimebeba meza mbili. I have managed to get 2. Moja ndio hii, ingine ndio hiyo hapo nyuma, and then the covers, the top part iko uko nyuma, iko kwa boot. So of course nikifika kwa nyumba I'll do a video. It will be separate, nikiwaonyesha me unboxing the table, because I have one and my sister has one. So nimechukua yangu na ya sistangu, but the others I left at the warehouse because clearing is a lot of money. So yeah, tutaona vile kutaenda. But I did get a black one. This is black, and for my sister is golden. Ya sistangu ni ya gold. So I will unbox mine with you, so ndio muone. But these ones, clearing is expensive as hell. Clearing, tumeclear each meza na 15,500, which is a lot because I thought ingekuwa kitu around 4,200. Normally that's the price I could have paid kama si marble, but now this one supplier alituma marble yenyewe. Now convincing people that nini ime change. So yeah, I need to get people to buy ndio, because there are 3 people who have withdrawn. I need to get people to buy the table at 20k, but of course nitawambia na 22k, because the market price here, it's very expensive. Market price niliona na ziko on sale at Furniture Elegance at 45k, 44,995 to be exact. I'll leave a picture here from Furniture Elegance. It's that expensive. So yes guys, cheers kwa duka, ndio tutaonana. Gai ni mzito vizuri. heavy. Went ahead and opened this one to remove one iron box. So here it is. $60 pieces of all this. One has already been taken by someone. So here I thought of doing an unboxing of this mini travel iron box. It's really not so big because it's a mini travel iron and it needs to fit your suitcases whenever you're traveling. So it's not so bad. The size is very okay. That's the cup where you put the water to hold the water. And then it comes with a silicone, which is what fell here, that silicone, to place it on top. I guess to protect it because it's a non-stick. And yeah, that's an iron box. Awesome. It's very good by the way. I have used it already. Oh, I can rotate it. So this is where you put the water. Wow. It's cute, but more as it's a portable iron. Here I had already come back home and here is my table. I wanted to unbox it with you in another video so that you can see how it looks, but it is very, very beautiful. I love it. This is how it looks. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Bye.